Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. I'm Hafiz and you are watching Python 101. For those who are watching this video right now, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Also, please click the bell button so in the future we'll get notification every time I uploaded new videos. Today we are going to learn two things. The first thing is comments and the second thing is user inputs. Let's get started. Comment is very important every time you do your coding. This is because it will make your codes understandable, more organized and easier to be understood by everybody who want to learn your code. In order to put or insert comments, it is very simple. Just insert hashtag in front of your code. So the whole line in your code will become a comment. So now let's try to write a few lines of codes with the comments inside them. As you can see on the screen right now, on the left side, I already opened up my editor and right now I am writing my codes. What I want to show you is just a few lines of code with the print function so that I will get a few outputs. But later I will also include comments above each line of my codes. Normally, the comment command will appear in red color code. So for the first line, I am writing introduction as a comment, second line main, and the last line is conclusion. So let's see the output now. Great, that's all for comment command. Alright, now it's time for user input. User input is any data or anything that you want from end user to key in into your program. So how are we going to do that? In our coding, we need to put variable equals to input in open bracket, close bracket, and inside it you need to put string. You can put any variable name, input is a must, and inside that you need to put any question or anything. Okay, so I will continue from our previous coding. I will copy this one, I'll create this one before, and I'll copy this into our coding. So as you can see, there are three new sections that I add into our coding. The first one is the spaces, and then the user input. I want name and age from the users, the end users, and then I want to display everything as an output. So I will put my name Hafiz and I just key in 1, and voila, here is the output. So keep practice and have fun. Okay guys, that's all for now. I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.